Today we are learning about forces and Newton's laws of motion. Newton's first law is a sentence about resting bodies and moving bodies. In plain words, Newton's first law says a body stays at rest, or keeps moving at a constant velocity unless a resultant force acts on it. Newton's second law is a sentence connecting force, mass, and acceleration. In plain words, Newton's second law says the resultant force acting on a body equals the mass of the body times its acceleration. In symbols, this is written as F equals m times a. Newton's third law is a sentence about pairs of forces. In plain words, Newton's third law says every action force has an equal and opposite reaction force acting on the other body. Now let's look at a worked example. A block of mass 5 kilograms is pulled along a smooth horizontal surface by a horizontal force of 20 newtons. Step 1. State Newton's second law as a sentence. The resultant force acting on the block equals the mass of the block times its acceleration. Step 2. Identify the resultant force. Since the surface is smooth, there is no friction, so the resultant force is simply the pulling force, 20 newtons. Step 3. Write Newton's second law in symbols, using the numbers from this problem. 20 equals 5 times a. Step 4. Solve for acceleration by dividing both sides by 5. Acceleration equals 20 divided by 5. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. So the acceleration of the block is 4 meters per second squared. Check step, let's confirm this answer makes sense. Multiply the mass 5 kilograms by the acceleration 4 meters per second squared. 5 times 4 equals 20, which matches the pulling force of 20 newtons, so the answer is confirmed. Also, since the pulling force acts forward, the acceleration must also point in the forward direction, matching the direction of the pull. So the final answer is, the block accelerates at 4 meters per second squared in the direction of the applied force.